Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to protect your post on X or Twitter. So if you want to protect your post, either you can get it done. Open the X app on your phone, which is Twitter, then you tap on your profile icon. So from there you tap on the settings and support, then you tap on settings and privacy, then from there you tap on security. Okay, then you tap on privacy and safety. You tap on privacy and safety, then from there you tap on this audience and tagging. Then you tap on it. Then from here you turn this option on, which is protect your post. Actually, this only show the post to people who follow you. If selected, you will need to approve each new follower. So with this option being turned on, only for people that are following you that will be able to see your post. And if there's any need for other people to see your post, you have to give approval so that they can see your post. And that's it. Find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.